Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share with you my recipe for crispy fried chicken. First, brine the chicken with 1/4 cup of salt and 6 cups of water for 30 minutes. While waiting, start preparing the ingredients. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, black pepper, garlic salt, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, salt, eggs. When 30 minutes have passed, rinse the chicken. Butterfly the chicken drumstick by cutting down the middle and sideways on both sides. This way, it will cook evenly since the drumstick is thick. Sprinkle garlic salt. Then black pepper. Cayenne pepper. Paprika. Flip the chicken and sprinkle the spices again on the other side. Then set the chicken aside. Make the batter. Combine 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, a sprinkle of black pepper, garlic salt, paprika, then crack 2 eggs. One tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix the ingredients together. Then slowly add water up to 6 ounces until the mixture has a thin batter consistency. In a different bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's start frying. Pour 5 cups of canola oil into the wok. Take 1 chicken piece. Dip it in the batter. And roll it in the dry mixture. When the oil is hot, place the chicken in the wok. Fry up to 4 pieces per batch on medium heat for up to 12 minutes. Flip the chicken every 2 to 3 minutes to avoid burning. Continue frying, then plate the chicken. I recorded how crunchy the chicken is when I tasted it. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.